Alright, this is 4111 Miller Drive. We have spent quite a bit of time out here jet cleaning the lines. We have run our camera through the clean out that is up next to the house. If you're looking at the house, it's on the front left-hand side of the house. And we are all the way at the very end of the run under the house. We reset the counter here, so we should get an idea of how far we in when we pull all the way out. But we pulled out probably 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket of rust scale through here. So that's where somebody made a change. It's a small drain, tub drain or lavatory drain. But I don't see anything cracked or broken. The cast iron actually looks really, really good. Got a couple teeny tiny little chunks. The camera is going to magnify everything in the line and make it look bigger. We have not flushed the line at all since jetting, which we will be doing afterwards. I always like to do that on video so we can show what the flow looks like. So still under the house, obviously everything under the house is cast iron. It's quite a long run under the house. We're already over 42 feet. Alright, so we're getting close. What I'm going to do is, this is the last turn before the clean out. I want to go in the house and run some water, flush some toilets, and we'll check the flow coming at us. Alright, so everything looks like it's draining good. We just filled up the tub, ran both vanity sinks, flushed the toilet several times, and we got really good flow coming through here. Really good flow on the clean out too, which is good. So everything's all nice and clean and beautiful. No wipes, no thick toilet paper. And shouldn't have any more problems. You can see where the clean out now and water's just racing through there. Thanks for watching.